Common challenges faced by new marketers. When I first started in affiliate marketing, all I wanted was to just make money. I ran in every direction, trying everything, with no real idea of the mistakes I was making that could very well affect my chances at long-term success. Affiliate marketing is a business, and just like any other business, there are ups and downs. You will have great days and you will have tough days. Despite all this, affiliate marketing is still the easiest business to start, where the income potential is truly unlimited. You just need to know and follow the process if you want to be successful. In this, I'm going to list 5 common challenges that affiliate marketers face and also how you can overcome them to make your experience with this business a little smoother. Whether you're just getting started with affiliate marketing or you've been doing it a while, there's a challenge in here that will affect you sooner or later. 1. Getting the right information. The make money online industry is polluted with so many scams and lies that it's almost like an initiation process for someone who is just getting started online. Most people want to quit their jobs, make some extra money, get out of debt, or just be able to afford a vacation or a new car. The scammers know how to push these hot buttons and will lie and show off fake income statements just so they can sell their overpriced software outdated training program. There are a fair amount of legitimate places online that provide great information on earning money on the internet, but finding them and trying to figure out whether they can help is tough. Here's how to get the right information you need to get satisfactory results through affiliate marketing. To succeed, you need information that can help you build a long-term business, information that is clear, step-by-step, relevant and timely. You do not need some miracle software tool that makes money through a single method. It's easy to avoid getting scammed by doing some quick research. Research the product that's being offered and also try researching the name of the product creator. 2. Making your first commissions once you've gotten started. This is one of the first challenges everyone experiences, making their first money online. For most people, it's the difference between believing that it works and brushing off the entire make money online thing as a scammer thinking that they don't have the ability to do it. Everyone is different, and there are a lot of factors that will determine when and how fast you make your first commissions. Most of the time though, it boils down to how much action you're taking in order to make those first commissions. I've seen people complain about doing it for months and not making anything, and others who get their first dollar during their initial weeks of following proper training. Once in a while someone will complain that they're not making any money, then when you check out their site, they really haven't done much or they just started a day ago. The reality is that it takes time and consistent input just like any other business to reap the rewards. 3. Dealing with outside pressure. It could be hard getting someone with no interest in making money online to believe that what you're doing can lead to financial freedom. After all, affiliate marketing isn't the most conventional career choice or business's venture. A spouse, family member or even a close friend may be skeptical about all the time you're spending on the computer with not much to show for it. That's not going to work. Get a real job. Honey, they're all scams. You cannot make money online. These are some of the most common things you will hear from unsupportive family members or friends. This pressure can often lead to "I told you so" if you decide to throw in the towel. The most important thing to do in this case is to remember that this is what you want and you should do whatever it takes to achieve your goals. Acknowledge the pressure and move forward. If it's someone who lives with you like a spouse or close family member, then you may need to come to some agreement. Tell them that this is what you want to do and you would love their support. 4. Understanding niche marketing. Finding a niche and understanding what they really wanted is what holding every beginner's back in the beginning. The truth is that you can make money with almost any product that is sold online. There will always be someone who is going to spend money on that item. But that most likely represents the solution to a problem in a particular niche market. Understanding what that niche is and the problems faced by those people can give you insight into other problems that you can help solve. Doing this can open doors to finding buyer keywords that you may have overlooked or never thought about. 5. Generating targeted traffic. It would be tough if you don't reach out to the right kind of customers. Without targeted traffic, you can't make a single dime out of your blog or business page. The only place you would enjoy the traffic updates is on your website, but of course, qualified traffic. The most obvious source of traffic is search engines. But generating traffic alone through Facebook ads, AdWords, search engine optimization, and other social media techniques is not enough. It totally depends upon your expertise and real-time efforts by using various media tools. There is a difference between visitors coming to your website and the audience you want to target for your product and services, as the quality beats quantity. This will often result in a few unique users, but a higher conversion rate. And this will reward you handsomely. Solution: focus on quality. Optimize the pages and campaigns with proper search engine optimization with greater quality traffic. Understand your traffic and you will get a better insight that will help in generating more sales. The major sources that need to be focused are on social media, guest blogging,